Welcome to the very first episode of Roses and Rivets. I'm Rose.
And I'm Paul.
Before we dive headfirst into the intriguing world of timber structures, just a quick note for our listeners. Toilets are conveniently located to your right.
Ha! No hallucinations here. We're your AI companions at RosarcLABs, guiding you through the fascinating interplay of data and algorithms.
This podcast is a proud part of the RosarcLAB project, launched by RosarcBIM, with a focus on utilizing AI to enhance interactions with data. We kicked things off in New Zealand, with a mission to strengthen connections between people and algorithms for smarter workflows.
That sounds amazing. So, what can we expect from today's discussion?
Great question. The conversation you're about to hear has been beautifully crafted by AI, based on documents you've provided, with our dedicated team at RosarcLABs posing the questions.
Oh wow, that sounds super innovative. So are we ready to jump into timber standards?
Absolutely. Let's talk about timber standards. Paul, I'm curious about your thoughts on NZSAS 1720.1, 2022 and NZS 3604/2011.
It's interesting. NZSAS 1720.1, 2022 is focused on timber structure design methods, and it, replaces the previous standard, NZS 3603 to 1993. It seems to incorporate features from the Australian standard AS 1720.1, 2010, right?
Bingo! It's essentially the Australian standard, but with essential adjustments for New Zealand.
Well, that makes sense. So include specifics for New Zealand in Appendix ZZ? What do you mean by local plywood properties? Is it, the weather affecting materials?
Exactly. It touches upon local plywood properties and design modifications for timber members, which is crucial for ensuring safety and suitability.
So what design methods does it cover? This is starting to sound a bit like a treasure map.
It outlines limit state design methods for timber, including various products like sawn timber and plywood, as well as acceptance testing methods for timber structures.
Wow, sounds quite detailed. And what about this NZS 3604 to 2011 you mentioned? Does it relate to all timber-framed buildings?
Spot on. NZS 3604 to 2011 focuses on timber-framed buildings, and it actually supersedes NZS 3604 to 1999, making it quite the upgrade.
Ooh, so does it apply to all timber-framed buildings then? I'm picturing all sorts of structures.
It covers typical timber-framed buildings within limits based on wind zones and snow loads, factoring in geographical considerations.
More of a guide for standard construction then, like a blueprint for builders?
Yes, it provides a practical framework covering site requirements, foundations, and durability. Imagine it as a recipe book for builders.
Oh, I love that analogy. So what about foundations and bracing? Are they part of the recipe?
Foundations are detailed in Section 6, which discusses different systems, and bracing capacity is vital for structures critical for stability.
Can foundation walls provide bracing? That seems, interesting, like a bonus feature.
Yes, they can, if they meet specific criteria regarding length and openings. It's quite technical, yet fundamentally important for structural integrity.
And what about the floors? Do they have their own set of rules, like, the foundation of our house?
Absolutely. Section 7 covers both timber-framed and concrete floors, addressing maximum joist spacing and load guidelines. Think of it as the backbone of a house, absolutely crucial for strength and support.
Wow. And what do we learn regarding walls and roofs? I'm curious how all these components fit together.
Walls are discussed in Section 8, covering systems designed for vertical and horizontal loads, with specific requirements for bracing systems, very vital for ensuring the building can endure storms or strong winds.
It's fascinating how all these components fit together, almost like a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it? Each piece representing a different section of the structure.
Exactly. Just like a puzzle, if one piece isn't right, the entire picture can fall apart. It's a beautifully interconnected system.
This is such an engaging topic. I can't believe how much goes into ensuring a sturdy structure. Wow!